Welcome to Satsuki Bonsai Demystified. I'm Rick Garcia. We're nearing the end of October, and each new day highlights the growing influence of the fall season. As trees, shrubs, and grasses in our natural environment gradually transition into their autumn forms, I see similar changes occurring with my Satsuki. Leaves that were once a deep green are turning shades lighter. Some appear a lime green color, while some outlier leaves are already turning yellow. The time for fall maintenance is approaching. Here's an example tree illustrating what my Satsuki look like at this time of the season. The leaf color indicates they're not quite ready for the fall work. And while I wait to begin my fall maintenance work, I thought I would share a pruning video from last spring. I recorded more videos than I've had time to post, and now seems like a good time to open the archives and share one of those surplus videos. That's where this guy comes in. The variety is Bunka, the subject of today's video. And before diving into the fall 2025 work, I'll be posting one more video and you won't want to miss that one. So, without further ado, let's roll the tape on this guy. Here's how this tree looked after completing fall maintenance last year. And here's how it looked after it was wired. Regarding Bunka's flower, I appreciate the understated elegance of its color variations. Unlike the bold patterns of other varieties, Bunka has a softer, more gentle appearance when in flower. I began the work on the main branch. From that point on, each subsequent branch was cut in relation to the main branch and any of the branches that preceded it. I'd like to take a moment to talk about wiring as it relates to pruning. Often, we'll wire at one time while pruning the tree at a later date. The key is to apply a longer length of wire than you think you'll need. Then, as you see me do here, simply unwind the wire to where you wish to cut and make your cut. At that point, cut the wire and you're done. Because the branch character evolves as you prune, we can't always know where to terminate the wire beforehand. The point I wish to make here is, avoid placing undue pressure on yourself to get the wire length exactly correct, knowing that you'll be pruning at a later time. It's okay to wire more of a branch's length than is necessary because we can always make adjustments later. The work you just saw was completed near the end of March. Approximately 2 weeks later, I repotted this same tree. Because it was really healthy, I felt confident it was okay to repot in close proximity to doing the pruning work. Here's how it looked after being repotted. I hope you enjoyed that look back at the pruning work from last spring. As you can see, the tree is fully recovered from the pruning as well as the subsequent repotting that I did. There's a lot more work to be done with this tree next year, but that's the subject of another video. In the meantime, if you're looking to prepare for the upcoming fall work, be sure to review last year's video titled Fall Maintenance Done Right. If you have my book, you may also wish to review Chapter 7, which includes an in-depth treatment on fall maintenance. And for those of you that are anxious to get to it, the fall maintenance discussion begins on page 124. If you have enjoyed this video, I sure would appreciate your likes and comments. And please, do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.